Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix ShareX file upload failed issue on ShareX in 2026. So if your screenshots or recordings are not uploading or you're getting upload errors, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable network is one of the most common reasons uploads fail. Next, open ShareX and go to your upload settings. Make sure the correct upload service is selected, like Imgur, Google Drive, or your custom server. Now verify your login or API key. If it is expired or incorrect, uploads will not work properly. Next, check if the upload service is currently down. Sometimes the issue is on their side, not yours. Now disable VPN or proxy if you are using one, because it can block upload requests or cause authentication failures. Next, run ShareX as administrator to ensure it has full permission to access network features. Now clear your upload history or reset upload settings inside ShareX if configuration is corrupted. Next, try uploading a small file to check if the issue is file size related. Now update ShareX to the latest version because older builds may break compatibility with upload services. Finally, restart ShareX and test the upload again after a fresh start. And that's it. You've successfully fixed ShareX file upload failed issue. Now your uploads should work smoothly without errors. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.